Have you ever dreamed of achieving something great, but felt like you lacked the motivation or the courage to do it? It is time to unlock your full potential and start achieving your dreams. In this video, we will explore how meekness, attitude, and self-discipline can help you achieve your goals. We will discuss how to affirm your dreams, develop a positive attitude, and persevere through difficult times. By the end of this video, you will have the tools you need to create the success you want and the mindset to reach your highest potential. Meekness is understanding the importance of respecting others and yourself. Embrace criticism that comes your way, and instead of fearing it, use it as an opportunity to enhance your skills and confidence. Take the time to put yourself out of your comfort zone and listen to the opinions of others. Allow yourself to be open-minded, study different views, and exchange ideas. Unlock your full potential by affirming your dreams and goals. If you seek to realize your future dream, you must become a present fact in your mind by affirming that you are already what you want to be and assuming the feeling of it being fulfilled. This process is called internalization, and it's a key step in realizing your dreams. By focusing on what you want and affirming that it is already true for you, you will raise your vibration and enter a state of heightened awareness and possibility. This heightened state of awareness is key to unlocking your full potential. As you focus in on what is truly possible for you, you will start to take steps towards creating the life you want and going after your goals with strength and confidence. Working with a mentor or coach who can provide guidance and support along your journey. Once you have unlocked your full potential and started taking action, it's important to visualize the outcome with clarity and focus. Visualizing your future success can shift your energy and boost your motivation. Also, take the time to understand your limitations and how to break through them. When we internalize our dreams, we tap into an infinite source of power. This power allows us to create the life that we want, or whether that means having a more beautiful personal life or accomplishing great things. It's easy to take for granted how powerful this process is, but remember, everything happens within an infinite level of consciousness. If we want to change current situations, we must first rise up from our current level towards something better. Only then will change happen. Once you allow yourself to access this higher conscious power, there are many strategies you can use to make your dreams a reality. Start by making time for yourself. Learn to be mindful and practice self-care to soothe any anxiety or apprehension. This will create more clarity and allow you to become aware of any blocks that may be standing in the way of your success. Then, take intentional action. Have an action plan and set attainable goals with realistic timelines. Make sure to eliminate distractions that prevent you from taking meaningful steps forward. To achieve this transformation, it's important to have confidence in yourself and surround yourself with people who share your highest ideals. The more people who believe in themselves, or no matter what their situation, or the greater the chance for success becomes. So take heart. With enough effort and intention, anything is possible. Achieving greatness through positive attitude and self-discipline. The attitude that we have towards ourselves has a profound impact on our life. If we think negatively and believe that we are incapable of achieving greatness, then that is what will happen in our lives. However, if we adopt a positive attitude and affirm that we are capable of achieving greatness, then the universe will help us to do just that. One of the most famous examples of someone who had a positive attitude towards themselves is Jesus Christ. Throughout the Bible, Christ is described as being meek, meaning he never acted boastfully or with an air of superiority. Instead, he had complete confidence in his power and potential as God incarnate. Meekness is not weakness or servile servitude. It is confidence in one's own strength and ability to overcome any obstacle. Self-discipline is another critical component of achieving greatness. Self-discipline allows us to make consistent progress towards our goals despite any external distractions or impediments. It gives us the inner strength to take the necessary steps to complete tasks and achieve our dreams. Having a positive attitude and self-discipline are both essential tools for achieving greatness. They enable us to stay focused on our goals and make consistent progress towards them. Even in the face of setbacks or difficulties, when we believe in ourselves, have faith in our own power, and remain disciplined throughout the journey, then anything is possible. Self-discipline also plays an important role in achieving success. This means developing the habits and qualities necessary to achieve success over time without having to force them into place. These qualities include honesty, fairness, kindness, and a positive outlook on all things. Having self-discipline allows you to stay focused on your goals instead of getting sidetracked by lesser concepts or distractions. Achieving greatness requires rising above current circumstances and breaking through any limits that may be holding you back. This can be done by training your mind to focus on what is best instead of allowing lesser concepts to become part of your identity or reality. The key is to keep learning and growing or never rest until you've reached your full potential. Seeking higher living through self-help and positive action. Self-help and positive action are two key ingredients in the recipe for seeking a higher standard of living. This includes understanding and safety, which is exemplified in the 16th chapter of the book of John. When we ask for what we desire, our joys are instantly filled. Dr. Millikan encouraged self-help as no nation can display more wisdom than its citizens offer as individuals. To incarnate a new and higher concept of ourselves will result in other help being valuable to us if we take action and serve towards an ideal goal that awaits us, ready and waiting to be born unto reality through our actions and persistence. Rather than blindly judging by outward appearances, it's important to listen to what one wants to hear, see only the good and recognize truth which will set them free. Good character comes from direction, persistence with action taken voluntarily. Therefore, think true thoughts. Speak true words, live a truthful life which provides great nourishment, meaning into the world around you. In conclusion, it is possible to achieve greatness through meekness, attitude, and self-discipline. By affirming your dreams and developing a positive attitude, you can tap into an infinite source of power to create the life that you want. Self-discipline also plays an important role in achieving success, helping you stay focused on your goals. Finally, seeking higher living through self-help and positive action is essential for creating long-term success in any endeavor. Friends, thanks for watching the video till the end. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such motivational videos. God bless you all.